going to put about 300 grams of it into the vent here, and then as that cold water layer breaks down, all the heat, superheated steam and water from further down will force its way up through those cooler levels. And if all goes to plan, we'll see some bubbles at the top there, and then as that hot stuff comes through, all this will be pushed out, and we'll see the water start to surge until she builds up into that first full eruption.
Didn't mean to take that.
Now to get from something that looked like that to this, what actually happened was those same prisoners piled rocks around the edge and tried to make a chimney. And the reason for doing that was for their own entertainment. Because in those days, they didn't have TVs, videos, or any of that sort of gear. And by making that chimney, it forced the water into a narrower opening, created a stronger jet, and sent their clothes even higher. But then Mother Nature came along, and she actually gave her this cone shape and this white mantle that you are seeing now, and she's still doing it using a mineral called silica. Now that's in the geyser water. So each time there's an eruption, water shoots up into the air, falls over this area where it's the wind and the sun that evaporates the water, leaves behind that mineral which is grown to this shape and this colouring. Quick bit of geology about her. She's about 150 years old. The reservoir below her holds about 30,000 litres of water. She can play for up to an hour, and she can reach heights between 10 and 20 metres. But how high she goes, how long she stays there for, is totally dependent on the amount of water in that reservoir below her. So take your photos as she builds up into this first full eruption, because there's no guarantee she's going to hit that height again. And please just try and remember that down here we do not call these geysers. This is a geyser. A geyser to us is a two-legged elderly gentleman, not one of these. Take plenty of photos and enjoy your day. Thank you.
Crazy.
Nossa, tá crescendo. O cheiro.
Amazing, yeah. Let's check the forward. That is, 12 to 15 meters.
Veja, posso dizer uma coisa? Assim, lá no shopping tem essa cascata também.
अरे उसमें ये नहीं है इतना. अरे बैटरी नहीं है फिर वो भी बंद हो जाएगा रे.
Não, dá gente.
Look at the rainbows a bit pretty. Oh, my camera doesn't know.
Vini, tira foto. Tira mais.
So that water is just warm as well. Yeah.
रुक रहे कार्तिक और तू फोटो ले रहे. बैटरी दोनों डाउन होगी ना बैटरी, फिर बाद में फिर रोने पे पड़ेगा. नहीं होगा क्या? नहीं होगा ज़्यादा नहीं है. फिर मेमोरी भी नहीं है. तू समझ नहीं रहा है. मैं बोल रहा हूँ मैं वीडियो शूटिंग ले रहा है तो. हाँ तो वो तू फोटो लेना. अपने को फोटो भी तो जरूरत है उन सब चीज़ की. तू फोटो ले, मैं वीडियो शूटिंग ले रहा है ना. फोटो लिया लेकिन